Daisy, is that my bag of chips? Daisy. 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 Those are Mommy's chips. Those were mine. Or they were mine. Now they're all wet. Okay, so you must like chips. Dear goodness. Scared the cat. Pretty good. You know they cause obesity, right? You finished? You done? Oh, okay. Daisy, stop. Oh, he's too cute. He's crazy. Look at that. Crazy puppy. Oh my god. You tell him, Dad. Get to the bottom. You like salt? Okay, you done? You feel better? You feel better? He's a good girl. He's a good girl. Yeah.